Hello guys, today we're going to be playing some more Teardown today. I hope the quality is somewhat decent. Sorry, my chair is making squeaky noises. Alright, so today I'm going to be, I don't know, it's kind of a weird one, but we're going to be exploring some of these, like, maps that people have made. But I really wanted to look at this specific one. It's called, if I can find it, it's called Voxel Plaza. It's a great map, but it has like so many different things that I just want to look at. So like there's like this flood and stuff. I don't even know. It's just crazy. You can enable this helicopter. So we're just gonna mess around with it and let's look. So let's have a snowy. Let's play this version because it looks like the newest. So we'll play with interiors. Alright, let's see what this is, guys. If you're excited, hit that like button. Let's do this. It'll load. That'd take a second, guys. I think it would take this long. It looks like a really good map. There we go. Alrighty, let's look at this. I hear the helicopter. Oh shoot, it's shooting at us. Maybe we have to get, I think we have to get to like a certain spot. It's like that one mission in the game. Maybe we should get in a car. Oh, it's shooting at us! Go, 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 go! Should we? I'm gonna get in the parking garage. You know what? Oh, this is fast. There's a yacht! There's a yacht in the middle, guys. Maybe we should, like, get in there. I'm gonna get in the yacht. How did they, like, get trucks? Oh. We don't need that. Oh, it found us. It found us. It found us. Yeah. We gotta get in the yacht, guys. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Can we drive the yacht? No, we can't. That'd be awesome. Hey! Get off our tail. Let's try to shoot at the... Oh, I get invincibility on it. Wait! We're shooting some pieces off. Did you see that? Some pieces fell. Yeah, they fell in there. Wait a minute. Some pieces are falling. Some. Alright, wait. We need to get like a sniper rifle. Okay, I see like there's stuff. I know what we should get. If I can find it. Let's try to get use this. It's coming down! Oh shoot. Whoa! This is all ice? Why is there all ice? We should knock down the yacht then. Oh no. The thing's like... Oh no. Alright. Got one more. Oh, it's stuck. Should we try to fix it? Let's use a car to fix it. Slow car. No, we can just use one of these. Push! Push! Oh! Wait, let's see if it drives now. Oh, it still can't drive. That's a bummer. Alright, let's see what else there is. Ooh, we got Lambo. Alright, let's use this. It's not that fast. Let's use this one. This one seems... Man. I don't have any cards or anything. Oh, shoot, I should have paid attention. That's fine. Gosh, this is a smoking car. This car is not good. Oh, I've been dead there. Nah, that's okay. Why is there just boats? Oh wait, this is ice. The whole thing's ice. Whoa. Oh. It's very clogged. Should I go under? Oh shoot. We're stuck. Oh, we got out. How can a truck hold this weight though? Like, the truck should be falling under ice. I mean, it fell in this ice. Let's use this weapon to, like, explode. Hold it for too long. Alright, let's try one more time. Yeah! Get in there. Put like dump people's cars in the ice. Whee! 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 Oh. Maybe we should say so. Dun, dun. Hello, sir. Are you in there? Yes, sir. Oh. No, sir. I think we saved him, guys. Hey, we saved him. Oh, but that he's like kind of stuck on. Oh shoot! Hey, there he is. Oh, never mind. No, we can lose this person. We're good. It's like nothing even happened. Let's get in this car. Oh, there's snow on there. I got an idea. Snow shovel. Oh. But, no. That's okay. We don't even need it. We just need to clean around. Perfect, let's do this. Who said we needed a top? Oh! I keep on forgetting it's ice. I keep on slipping. Why is there like random dots? Ooh, look, there's big. Let's like lower it and just grab it. Grab. And just drop it from hiding. Oh, we'll save you. We need to put the thing in there. We'll save you, sir. Definitely didn't put you in it. There we go. Oh, we need to get over there. Alright, let's do that. So, let's go there. Probably faster if we were. Oh, it's up top. We need some parkour. Boom. 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 Oh. Boom. Boom. Alright, we're up. Gotta climb it. Spider-Man. Dun 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 dun. Oh, we can't control it. Oh. Whoa. Oh! Oh my gosh. We're falling. Oh, not the ice. Oh. Oh, it's cool. Here, I'll save the thing. Oh. Oh, here's another one. It's fine. Use that one. And that truck's fine. Yeah, see, we're big enough to just like plots right over it. Okie dokie. There we go. Oh wait, this has wheels. We should go pick up the truck. Yeah. I feel powerful. We should drop it on another truck though. And wait. Kablooey. Oof. Oh! Oh, oh! It's a lot of stuff. And they'll be fine, right? Jeez, like destruction. Imagine if these like were oil tankers. You know what? I'll save the day now, Spider-Man. Fear not! Oh, Spider-Man has some technical difficulties. And that's okay. I'll save you, ma'am. That's a car. That's a whole plane. Government. I'll save you, ma'am. Sir, whatever you want. Thank you, ma'am. Oh! No! Oh! Oopsies. I think we need to get out of here. Whee! Alright guys, well, think that's gonna do it today. We'll probably explore that map a lot more because there's a lot more to do than just that level. Hey, see ya, and have a terrific day, guys.